Welcome to Julia Outfit. Today, we're exploring 20 stylish fall outfits built around a timeless combination of beige and olive, with modern touches inspired by men's fashion in 2026. These earthy shades create a refined, mature look that works beautifully for everyday autumn dressing. Outfit 1, Olive Field Jacket with beige chinos. Start with an olive field jacket layered over a clean cream knit sweater. Then add beige chinos and brown leather loafers. The combination feels practical yet polished, while the relaxed proportions keep the look current for fall 2026. Outfit 2, Beige will coat with olive trousers. A beige will coat instantly creates an elegant foundation for autumn. Pair it with an olive merino sweater, olive trousers, and dark brown Chelsea boots. The tonal earth palette feels sophisticated without appearing overly formal, making it ideal for city walks or a casual dinner. Outfit 3, Olive Overshirt with beige corduroy pants. For a relaxed weekend look, choose an olive overshirt over a lightweight beige crew neck and combine it with beige corduroy trousers. Brown suede loafers add texture and warmth, while the layered silhouette reflects a renewed interest in rich fall fabric. Outfit 4, Beige Suede Jacket with olive knit polo. A beige suede jacket brings luxurious texture to a simple olive knit polo. Finish with dark beige trousers and brown leather loafers for an understated European-inspired outfit. The look feels mature, comfortable, and quietly expensive without relying on flashy pieces. Outfit 5, Olive Blazer with beige turtleneck. For a smarter autumn occasion, wear an olive blazer over a beige fine knit turtleneck with tailored beige trousers. Brown leather shoes complete the palette. The structured tailoring keeps the outfit sophisticated, while the earthy colors make it feel relaxed rather than corporate. Modern tailoring remains a major direction for fall 2026. Outfit 6, Beige Harrington Jacket with olive chinos. A beige Harrington jacket gives this combination a sporty, timeless character. Wear with an olive polo shirt, olive chinos, and clean brown sneakers. The result is an easy outfit for weekend markets, cafes, or casual travel, with enough structure to look intentionally styled. Outfit 7, olive barn jacket with beige jeans. Bring a touch of contemporary workwear into the wardrobe with an olive barn style jacket, beige jeans, and a soft oatmeal sweater. Add brown suede boots for a grounded finish. The practical jacket shape and warm textures make this especially appropriate for crisp autumn afternoon. Outfit 8, beige double-breasted blazer with olive trousers. For a more distinguished look, choose a softly structured beige double-breasted blazer with an olive button-down shirt and relaxed olive trousers. Brown loafers complete the outfit. The slightly roomier silhouette feels contemporary while preserving the confidence of classic tailoring. Outfit 9, olive cardigan with beige tailored trousers. Layer an olive cardigan over a crisp ivory shirt and pair it with beige pleated trousers. Brown penny loafers and a simple leather belt bring everything together. This outfit balances comfort and refinement, making it an excellent choice for an autumn lunch or relaxed office environment. Outfit 10, beige overcoat with olive knitwear. Finish this first chapter with sophisticated beige overcoat, layered over an olive crewneck sweater and beige trousers. Brown suede Chelsea boots add depth without breaking the natural palette. The result is elegant, warm, and remarkably versatile, proving that beige and olive can form the backbone of a modern fall wardrobe. Earth tone combinations like beige, sand, and olive are especially effective because their natural warmth allows them to blend effortlessly. Outfit 11, olive funnel neck jacket with beige trousers. Give the classic beige and olive combination a modern 2026 update with an olive funnel neck jacket, a beige mock neck sweater, and relaxed beige trousers. Finish with dark brown leather sneakers for a refined but contemporary city look. Funnel neck outerwear is one of the fresh directions appearing for fall 2026, giving this mature color palette a sharper modern edge. Outfit 12, beige suede overshirt with olive jeans. Choose a soft beige suede overshirt over an olive green Henley. Then add straight leg olive jeans and brown suede desert boots. The combination of tactile suede and earthy colors creates a relaxed autumn character without looking too rugged. Suede and richer textures are especially useful for giving simple fall outfits more visual depth this year. Outfit 13, olive knit cardigan with beige denim. For an easy weekend outfit, layer a chunky olive cardigan over a white Oxford shirt and pair it with straight beige denim. Add brown penny loafers and a simple leather watch. The contrast between the structured shirt and softer knit give the outfit a mature, relaxed character that works beautifully for cafes, shopping, or casual gathering. Outfit 14, beige trench coat with olive rollneck. A beige trench coat creates a timeless outer layer when worn over an olive rollneck sweater and tailored olive trousers. Complete the look with dark brown Chelsea boots and a leather belt. The longer coat creates an elegant vertical silhouette, while the olive underneath keeps the outfit distinctly autumnal rather than overly formal. Outfit 15, olive quilted jacket with beige chinos. For cooler fall mornings, try an olive quilted jacket over a beige cable knit sweater and beige chinos. Brown leather boots add a practical finishing touch. This outfit takes inspiration from classic countryside dressing while keeping the proportions clean and contemporary, making it especially suitable for weekend drives or walks through an autumn town. Outfit 16, beige blazer with olive corduroy trousers. Combine a softly tailored beige blazer with an olive button-down shirt and olive corduroy trousers. Finish with dark brown suede loafers. The corduroy adds seasonal texture, while the blazer keeps the outfit sophisticated. This balance of relaxed tailoring and tactile fabrics fits the broader 2026 movement toward updated, more expressive classic menswear. Outfit 17, olive leather jacket with beige knitwear. For a stronger evening look, choose an olive leather jacket over a beige merino sweater and beige tailored trousers. Brown Chelsea boots bring the palette together. The leather gives the earthy combination a little attitude, while the soft beige knit prevents the outfit from becoming too heavy or severe. Outfit 18, beige knit polo with olive pleated trousers. A beige long sleeve knit polo paired with olive pleated trousers creates an effortlessly polished silhouette. Add dark brown loafers and a minimalist belt for a clean finish. The pleated trousers provide comfortable movement and a more relaxed shape, while the knit polo keeps the upper half refined and age appropriate. Outfit 19, olive bomber jacket with beige wide leg trousers. Update the traditional bomber jacket by choosing olive and pairing it with a beige crewneck sweater and relaxed wide leg trousers. Finish with understated leather sneakers. The slightly roomier silhouette gives this classic combination a contemporary 2026 feel, while the restrained colors keep the outfit sophisticated rather than youthful for the sake of being youthful. Modern fashion is increasingly playing with refreshed proportions and the balance between oversized and tailored pieces. Outfit 20, beige overcoat with olive suiting. End the collection with the most sophisticated combination. A long beige overcoat layered over an olive blazer, olive trousers, and a cream shirt. Add dark brown leather loafers and a subtle pocket square. The result is confident, elegant, and distinctly autumnal, showing how beige and olive can move effortlessly from everyday casual dressing into refined evening style.